The circle? What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here with another banger. We're not that far from Disney, guys, right here. You can see the spectacular firework display right now. We're walking through traffic right now to make it to the meetup location right now. Minivan's horny right now, almost hit me in my butt cheeks. So we made it to the meetup spot right now, so we're gonna see how it's gonna go down tonight, guys. It looks like it's gonna be a good ass night today, by the way.
Saludos de Jalisco.
Hey. She always keeps slapping my ass when I'm trying to do my intro. Fucking annoying.
Right here?
Yes, sir. Oh! Leave it up to the Mustang. There's a cop right there looking at the Mustangs that we're racing right there. Hey, raise the cop right here next to us. Then we got Cookie out here, the man in black right now. Sheesh. Those Mustangs with the turbo, look at that, the EcoBoost, damn! Is crazy. That shit says LOL. Woo! Fucking lit out here right now. Oh, okay. It's about to pop. Tell it pop, baby. This is one of my favorite guys out here. este güey. So the cops showed up right now. A lot of smoke. I can't see anything at all, guys. But I'm lit. I'm excited, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go, baby. All right, guys. So the cop finally showed up. Dude, clean your fucking windows, dude. Oh, Cookie's chasing down the motorcycle. Hey! Oh! Cookie! I like that. Light work. This fool just flew by everybody and everybody got mad at him. They tried to chase him out, but they couldn't catch her. Freaking Cookie. Tunnel! Woo! And the Mustang took it on the right. We're gonna be going to another location right now because the cops are waiting for us right now. Overall, I really love this beat right now. So we made it to the other location, but the cops are really like coming. Yeah. Cops just passed by right now. I don't know if they found the location, but we got a lot of track stars. I haven't been here in a minute, but the track stars are still here. Oh, it's a pursuit. It's a pursuit. Hey, fuck yeah. Yeah, go back. It's a pursuit. Track stars. Go back. Gang, bro. Hey, bro, I gotta take my sandals for the run. Oh, that's right. Protect the chanclas. That line is a beautiful thing, guys. Hey. We got the line after the. Hey, what's up, bro? Oh, fuck, horny. Oh, yeah, horny people everywhere. Well, we were going to the next location. The cops were on the pursuit over this Hummer. Alright guys, you said we're seeing it first on the vlog right here. This is a new trend. So our next meet, I'm leaving the Nikes and I'm bringing some of these. Cookie, show me your cape. Alright, so how do you run fast? Like, show me how do you get the speed? Flap it. Guys, I'm gonna scratch my balls right now. You guys hitting this? I feel like 3 times. Like, yeah, my nutsack's itch. I'm gonna scratch it. Oh, he said it.
have some that they're like from years ago.
Yeah, you're probably all molded and shit.
I got a tank now too. But I need a
¿Pa dónde vas, loco? Véngase para acá. I got him, I got him, I got him. You trying to go in the middle of the pit? Get your ass back over here, huh?
¡Pónganle vaporú! Icy hot.